As the COVID impacts are felt across the nation, food service establishments are concerned about the best way to protect their guests and staff. Food service is our family, and we have to offer a way for our family to keep safe in these challenging times. ComplianceMate, the global leader in enterprise food safety management tools, understands these challenges and is ready to help with ComplianceMate C19. Food service companies can now download and use the free app by going to ComplianceMate.com. ComplianceMate C19 will assist you in proactively controlling requirements and best practices for COVID-19 safety. Checklists included with ComplianceMate C19 include COVID-19 disinfecting, cleaning and sanitation, hand washing, facility sanitation checks, dining, lobby, restroom, and back of house checks, employee wellness, and finally, how to return an employee with previously positive test results back to work. ComplianceMate C19 will automatically update these checklists to reflect the latest CDC, FDA, and governmental guidelines for food safety policies and practices for managing quarantines that impact your food service. You will be able to receive all completion data on the app dashboard to confirm staff and guests are staying as safe as possible. ComplianceMate C19 can be used in all food service establishments, whether it be C-stores, grocery, QSR, fast food, or restaurants offering third-party delivery. ComplianceMate C19. Download it now.